Today on Garand Thumb, we are going to be breaking a world record. We are going to be making the world's longest suppressor. Right here, we have over 1,310 baffles. That's over 270 suppressors.
140.
We have a 9-foot suppressor, which is actually already a record. We have a 25-yard suppressor. Going hot?
No way.
No way. Firing. He cleared it!
Look at that group when it started out.
That was good.
So I think we've discovered where they are. Ready? Hold on. How do I into this?
Where's...
Okay. Keep your circle small, your women big.